Hi guys, it's Stock Curry, and I wanted to let you know that I have been keeping a secret from you. Now, I am currently sitting in a room that is under construction. I am converting this room into a nursery because my wife is pregnant and she's supposed to have a baby next month. Unfortunately, we went to the doctor's today for a follow-up appointment, and we were notified that there are some concerns and that we could possibly deliver as early as Thursday, today, or tomorrow, depending upon when you're watching this video. So I panicked because we are completely and totally not ready. As you can see by this room behind me, it is not done, not even close. And we don't have anything for our baby. So I rushed to the store and I bought diapers and clothes and blankets, baby wipes, like you name it. Like all those things you need for a baby that we just didn't have because we still thought we had another month to prepare. And so big panic day today. I had no time to watch videos. So that's what's going on. According to the doctors, this baby will be here anywhere from tomorrow all the way until the latest they're saying is October 20th. So I don't know. We will literally have a baby anywhere from tomorrow to like 4 weeks out. And so it's just a day by day playing this by ear. So here's what's going to happen with the channel. I will continue to produce videos every single day. On the days that are normal and I can just watch my normal videos, we'll have a normal video for you guys. On the days like today where it's just crazy with doctor's appointments and panic and whatever, it's just going to be a market update, kind of like what I'm doing right now. So wanted to let you guys know about that. And then of course, once the baby actually comes, I'll probably be taking about a week off of YouTube with no videos, no trading or anything like that. I'm just going to disappear for a week and focus on my new baby. So that's what's coming up down the pipeline for the channel. Now, regarding the market update for today, obviously we had some really big news. The Fed came out and made an announcement on what they had decided to do. And long story short, they have decided two things. One, they are going to start tapering. However, they did not give a time to start. What they did is they gave a time to finish. And they said that they were going to finish the tapering by the middle of next year. Now, a lot of really smart economists went and did a bunch of math and figured out that in order to finish the tapering by the by the middle of next year, they would have to start in November of this year. And so pretty much the consensus at this point is that the Fed tapering is going to start in November. The Fed also said that they're not raising interest rates yet, but it is on the table and they are considering it, and they will start raising interest rates as soon as a few more economic things come into place. So pretty much everybody's expecting interest rates to be rising at some point in 2022. What that did to the markets today is caused a lot of confusion. It was like, okay, good, we're not raising interest rates yet, we're not tapering yet. Bad, because we are going to start soon, we just don't exactly have a date. And so literally from the time that Fed announcement was made to the close, it pretty much traded flat. Now, it was volatile, right? I mean, it was up and down 0.5% like every hour. It was very volatile trading, but the end result was a flat. And so it's really a lot of confusion. People don't know if this is good or bad and trying to figure it out. So in the end, what I ended up doing is I ended up buying put options on SPY and QQQ. Now, I am down a little bit on those. I think I'm down like 4% on the SPY put options, down about 15% on the QQQ ones. And here's why. The markets right now are kind of at a crossroads, technically. Technically, they could go up, they could go down. They're right at an EMA level, which could be support, could be resistance, we don't know. And so there's some people that bought call options betting that the market's going to go up on Thursday. There's some people like myself about put options betting the markets are going to go down on Thursday. Technically, it could go either way. The reason I chose put options is purely based upon history. Last month in August, the markets all ran up massively on Wednesday when the Fed spoke, and then the very next day on Thursday, they tanked. And so I'm just giving a bet on this gamble that the markets are going to tank on Thursday just based upon the history of what happened last month. Also, I'll let you know that we have a little bit more economic news coming out on Thursday. It's the initial jobless claims. It's a weekly number. I don't really see that as being that big of a mover in the markets, but it, if for any reason whatsoever there's a big spike, it could cause things to jump up. Now, so really we don't have any news to move the markets next week. It's just going to be, to move the markets on Thursday. It's just going to be, we'll have to watch and see what happens. So unlike the put options that I bought over the last 2 weeks that I was very certain of, and obviously we all made a lot of money off those, these put options, I'm letting you know right now, are much more of a gamble. I think the markets are going to tank on Thursday, but I could be wrong. Based upon my technical analysis, if the markets go up, I have about a 0.7% upside potential. If they go down, they've got about a 1.8% downside potential. So in my mind, the downside potential is greater than the upside potential, which is why I bought the put options. But again, they could go up on Thursday. And the other thing that could happen, I think is probably the most likely scenario, is that we open green like plus 0.5, 0.6%, but then we finish down 0.7, 0.8%. That's what happened a lot last week and the week before. And so my guess is that's what's going to happen Thursday. But again, I could be totally wrong. I don't know. It's a guess, right? So I'm just letting you guys know I gambled. I guess the markets are going to go down Thursday. They do expire on Friday. So even if the markets trade flat on Thursday and they go down on Friday, I'll still make money on those put options. So that's what I did. But again, it's a lot less certain. The crypto I bought on the dip yesterday is up quite a bit. I'm already up over 10% on some of it. Anywhere from 4 to 11% is what I'm up right now. So the crypto's doing great. The rest of the stocks obviously were up today with the whole overall market, except for LCID, which went down. So that hurt that leap call option. But again, I don't care. It's a leap call option. I've got till 2023 on that one. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. I just wanted to let you guys know that, give you guys a quick update. I really don't have any other news for you. That really, the Fed was the big news. And then we've got the initial jobless claims on Thursday. So I hope you guys have a lot of success trading. Wish us a lot of luck with our baby that's on the way. And hopefully I will be able to continue to produce these videos on a regular basis. But again, as soon as the baby comes, I'll have about a 1 week off and you guys will not see me. But at some point, I'll introduce you to the new baby and you'll get to meet him. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a lot of success trading, and I will see you guys tomorrow.